Hey guys, it's Kim and I'm back with video number 2 of my DESTASH, and this is a Avery, Elle, and LawnFawn set that I've put together, which is just adorable goodies. The LawnFawn set here is the, what is this one called? So Jelly it's called. And I have the brand new stamp and the brand new die right here for this one. I've never used either one of these, so these two are brand new. Brand new love die from LawnFawn called Scripty Love. I don't think I ever used this. I may have used this one once, but basically it's brand new. Joy, Scripty Joy, Script Joy it's called. And then the two Avery Elle. What's this one called? I don't know. But it's Hipster Potamus. Hippo Birdie, to you, a huge big thanks. I have used this once to make a card, but it's just been sitting in my drawer for the last several years. So Avery, Elle, and LawnFawn are fantastic makes of stamps. So there's this one, and it's got the cute little hippopotamus glasses, a bow tie, a little bird, and a hat. This is such a cute stamp set. And then this one is like a Mother Goose, kind of, by Avery, Elle. Oh, it's called Storybook. And it's got a little deer, a rabbit, a goose, a mouse. It says, make a wish, wish big, welcome little one. It's got little birds and little bubbles and a balloon and stars and bees. So cute. I have used the little deer, I used the make a wish, and I used the bunny out of this one. But again, it's only been used once. So this set is going to be 12 for all of these. So you've got 3 dies, 2 dies on their own, a stamp and die set that match, and then the 2 stamp sets. So this is 12. And I'm going to do 3 sets of stamps. So this will be the Avery, Elle, LawnFawn set. The next set is mixed stamps that are so cute. This one is by Ruby Violet, and I love this one, and I have used this stamp and I think the wolf stamp, but that's all I've used out of this one. But again, all the pieces are here. It's such an adorable little stamp set. So there's that one, and then there's this really pretty kitty cat angel stamp that I love. It's called Murphy. I'm not sure who this is by. Static Cling Mounting Foam. Oh, hang on. AngelWingsRubberStamps.com is by. So it's a picture of a kitty cat with wings. I've used this one once as well. Still all in its original packaging and everything. This is a Inkadinkadoo, and they're all kitty cats. I have used this one before. Again, only once. I've used this one and this one, I think. And probably that one. But basically they're all in fantastic shape, so you can see all the patterns there. This is a Fisker's background by Teresa Collins, and you can see here this one's brand new. I've never used it. This one is Chandeliers. I have used this one, but only, like I said before, once or twice. I think I used this piece and this chandelier, and I don't think I've used the rest. So you can see it's all in really good shape. And then this one, I have used this feather, and this one's by Hero Arts. So this one's going to be 15, because there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 really good stamp sets there. So that will be the, we'll just call that the Inkadinkadoo set, even though it's only got a couple. But anyway, that's set number 2. But you can let me know which ones you want. And then this set is more art journal inspired, this one. These ones are by Deep Etch Rubber Stamps, Stamper's Best. I have used this one. It's Gears. So there's that one. This is the Mad Hatter. So if you love Alice in Wonderland, this is great. Also by the same maker, and I have used that one as well. This is a Darkroom Door one. It's a guitar. Never used. And then these two are by Joggles. I have used both of these, But these stamps are really, really good. I love these stamps. So this one is like a little wonky house. Super cute. Very cute. And Joggles is a very good brand, as most of you know. And then this one is like the dandelion when it goes to seed. So it's super cute for an art journal. Or for a card. It looks like that. So that will be $10 for this one. So let me know if you're interested. Thanks, guys. Same as before, PayPal only. My email is in the description box below. Take care, guys. Bye. I'll be back soon.